Hello everyone, welcome to our Link booth in Shenzhen IoTE exhibition. This is Jessica, your old friend. Today, let me tell you a story about date, time, and information from buildings, which can grant ordinary people superpowers. You and your team will enjoy the remarkable work experience space from our Link professional data collection system and present system, which can make the workspace and the buildings predictive and proactive. In a smart meeting room, in a smart office, you know exactly how to set up the effective atmosphere without even getting up. We use the information of the beginnings of the working hours and the readings of the motion detector. With those kind of information through Link, the light controlling panel is triggered to turn on the lights automatically. So we also used information of the temperature, humidity, illuminance, air quality. Those kind of information depend on the exact situations. We can control the HVAC system to provide comfortable environment, which can improve your well-being and productivity. So nobody has to breathe the stale office air. And we also have some other very popular products that can ensuring the air quality and preservation of highly valuable items, such as in the libraries and galleries. And in the smart, and just a few months ago, one thing just come in mind is a new office building now closed in our neighboring street. Because of the COVID-19, it's the new office building that closed for more than 6 months, almost more than half a year, and went through the heavy high tide humidity season, the spring season in Xiamen. When people comes back into the office, when people comes back to the meeting, to the buildings, it was found to have a very serious mold issues. The entire wing of the building has to be refinished, welded, and ripped apart. So it's almost rebuilt alternatively. In the winter time, if you are worried about the cold season, if you are worried about the cold weather that impact your pipes or causing any damage to your pipe stories freezing, or if you are worried about the door and the window security, and I think we have some other very interesting sensors that you can deploy, you can install throughout the sensitive parts of the building, okay, while you are working from home, while you are working remotely. And Link smart office building, smart meeting room solution that is LoRaWAN based. It composed of some very interesting sensors, such as the light controlling panel, and this is our window and door brick sensor, and this is our water leakage sensor, and this is our ambient monitoring sensor, and finally this is the controller. It comes with the digital input and output interface, depends on what you have exactly. So the communication between our sensors to the gateway depends on our standardized LoRaWAN protocol, and from the gateway to Link cloud, it depends on your exact situation. You can use the Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi or 4G cellular network. So there's a very good place that you can work your best. And Link, we can help you to fully focus on your daily routines. And because the rest of things is already taken care of. So thanks very much for following us. Some of our products, some of the sensors can be included, can be measured in some other scenarios, in some other applications, such as the soil moisture, such as the electrical conductivity, and the salinity, lightness, temperature, and humidity, as well as the water level, etc. So Link solution allows you to wire in some other devices that you may have, depending on the exact input or output interface. And as an example of this, we typically get requests to be able to integrate with the motor, to understand if it's on the on state or off state. And now specifically for farmers, effective solution, the remote monitoring solution, can help you reduce the costs associated with irrigation, because you can water based on the plant needs, based on the plant demands only, as opposed to your fixed schedule. And very common use of our products, very common use of our solution is for the frost protection. You can set up different conditions, you can set up different temperature threshold, and you can receive the alerts when the temperatures dip below a certain threshold. And with that information, you can confirm if the conditions are okay for you to take certain countermeasures for the frost. And because that can help you to protect you from the disease, from the pests that flourish, especially when a specific climate conditions are seen. As an example, a temperature sensor, when a temperature sensor sensing the frost condition, it will not wait for the next data reporting interval. It would be, maybe 30 minutes, half an hour away to inform you, because the system will initiate alarms and push that to your mobile app and let you know that you need to get out of your bed and go out to start your pumps. And if you need to turn something on or turn something off, the alarms, those kinds of alarms are also be able to trigger a relay that can control something output. So instead of leaving your home, instead of leaving your house, you can depend on that relay and to initiate that for you. So that's a very interesting solution. For the agricultural research at a remote site, the remote site is impossible, it's very difficult to visit at times. So that would be a challenge for you. But if you are using the Earthlink solution, the data is being upgraded, it's being uploaded automatically every hours or every few minutes, whatever you decide. Well, so as opposed you having to arrive at the remote site and finding out what's the data on your sensor, that solution can help you conveniently to get all the data automatically. And Milesight, the smart agriculture sense solution, that is the LoRaWAN-based solution, is a star network solution, which means that you can add more sensors, you can add more sensor nodes into this solution and communicate the data to the gateway. And the gateway will help you to forward data to the Milesight cloud. So it's a very convenient. And Milesight, the software, Milesight cloud solution, that application server can provide you very enough information and help you to take action. Because you can check in the data periodically and get all the information on the screen, and you can review it, you can have a quick summary, and with that information you can know there's a need for you to take care of if there's something bad happened, if there's an issue, so you can effectively to get all the information remotely. Okay, that's all I want to share with you about our smart agriculture solution. This is our soil moisture sensor. It includes the soil moisture, the electrical conductivity, and the salinity monitoring. And this is our pipe pressure sensor. And this is the carbon dioxide sensor. And this is the submersible water level sensor. So I think with those kind of sensors, you can build up a comprehensive LoRaWAN solution. Thanks very much. Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Jessica. Now I want to introduce our new version of the industrial cellular router. It's the UR75 version. What's the difference? Well, it comes with 5G and 4G, two different models inside. Okay, and I think it's more easier to describe what you can see. Firstly, it comes with the gigabit internet. It comes with the two pieces of the SIM cards, and also it comes with the Wi-Fi and the GPS. PoE is an optional choice. And this version, in order to provide you a better signal coverage, so we have 4 pieces for the cellular connection for the antenna and 2 pieces antenna for the Wi-Fi coverage. And if you choose the GPS, well, it will sharing the same antennas of the cellular. And inside we have upgraded of the hardware platform. we have upgraded from the dual core to the quad-core CPU platform, and also you can get more powerful, like the RAM, like the memory flash. Okay, I think that's more easier for users to further develop some other software and integrate with some other platforms. Okay, and what's more? Well, it comes with the two SIM cards, and also it can support the failover Ethernet. And besides, it can support 5G, the fifth generation wireless technology. So it means you can enjoy more stable and more powerful connections. Because we can support the standalone and the non-standalone architecture to both of them in one this unit. And for the 4G, based on the 4G technology, we are going to support like the Cat 4, Cat 6, Cat 12, and Cat 9. We are going to support that in the next version. And also for the Wi-Fi, comparing to the older version, we can only support 2.4 Wi-Fi. But now we can support 2.4 and both 5, two of them. So that's a very wonderful and new version of the UR75. Hope you can enjoy it. Thank you. Bye-bye.